Xiaomi has now officially launched the Redmi 15 5G in Malaysia as well as in various regions across Europe. This device is notable for its standout features, including a 144Hz screen and a very large battery. Allow me to gradually go over some of its specifications. We will discover a rather large 6.9-inch panel featuring a full HD resolution. Additionally, it offers the previously mentioned update rate of 144Hz, which is further enhanced by a touch sampling rate of 288Hz. It also has WebTouch 2.0 technology. It allows the screen to continue detecting touches even with wet fingers. Regarding the sound, it supports high-res audio and Dolby Atmos, which means it is expected to provide stereo sound. Additionally, in terms of cameras, there will be a dual system on the back featuring a primary 50-megapixel sensor along with a supposedly auxiliary lens. It's important to note that having just one camera is likely, as the second camera might be primarily for marketing purposes. The front camera is 8 megapixels, so it's not very notable for cameras. However, the battery is among the most remarkable features since it boasts a capacity of 7,000 mAh. This is the largest battery Xiaomi has ever included in any of its smartphones available worldwide. This should certainly attract a lot of attention, although in this particular case it supports charging at 33 watts, so I'm uncertain about how quickly it will manage to charge such a large capacity battery with this level of power, even though it is considered fast charging. I don't believe it will be used so harshly, but what's interesting is that this phone supports reverse charging like a power bank with 18 watts, letting you charge your friends' devices. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor is featured, along with 8 GB of RAM and a storage capacity of 256 GB. Regarding the software, it operates on HyperOS 2.0, which is based on Android 15. This includes artificial intelligence features like Circle to Search and the classic wipe function of objects. The price for this Redmi 15 5G, as announced for Malaysia, is set at 729 units of their currency, which is approximately $170. However, it's important to keep in mind that prices can vary between regions. We will need to wait for its official announcement in other regions to understand how the price will adjust and adapt accordingly. For the moment, let me know in the comments what you find most impressive about this device within its price range. Is it the 7,000 mAh battery or perhaps the 144Hz screen that stands out to you?